Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, my son got a little too cocky, you guys. Basically, he painted the trim. Or he painted the car with my trim. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have Renew and Restore wipes. Got these from Costco. So I have never seen nothing like this before. Flip it around, and right there it says paint transfer. So basically that's what this is. Transfer of paint when my son hit the corner of the house coming into the garage. And yeah, so it is what it is with that. Directions: it says wash the surface, towel dried, wear gloves, remove and unfold the wipe. I believe all the wipes may be the same. If that really does that, that will be crazy. We're going to go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, remember to get your PPE, and we're going to take one pack out. Use a clean, dry microfiber towel to wipe off excess residue. The price was pretty decent just to try this out. So we got our wipe right here. Oh, it has compound in it already. Okay, now I see. I was trying to figure out where the heck I'm going to get the compound. All right, let's see. Circular motion. Let's see if this little spot works. Put that up here. One thing I can say, it smells good. Oh, you guys, this might work. Gotta put some elbow grease in it. I don't know, it did okay so far. I think I gotta use a microfiber cloth when I'm done. Oh, and it's smooth. Now this might be scratched. Let's see. I don't know, you guys. This stuff may have worked. Wow. This is pretty cool. I might buy another pack of this stuff. All right, you guys, let me get a microfiber cloth real quick. See what we can do, because this is pretty much drying out. Wow, that looks good. Not gonna lie, that looks good. All right, let me see. Okay, so we still got some ash here. See, that might just be the rub off. All right, looks better. I tell you that much. Dang, look at that. It definitely it's polished too. It looks better. All right. Now we got this little bit of ash right there, but I'm going to do another one on this one. Now this is the heavy spot right here. All right. So let's go ahead and try it out right there, and let's see what happens. All right. Going for the second wipe. Let's go ahead, round two, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we get. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's kind of working. This is insanity. Now, of course, you got to put elbow grease in it. But it did a good job for the most part. Look at that. So you got this part that's stubborn. This is stubborn, you guys. Woo. So workout. Oh, come on. Oh, it's still getting some. There you go. Yeah. It's coming. I'm just shocked that this is working. I got it from the store. I didn't think it would actually work. I was like, man, let me try this stuff. But wow. I mean, I'm shocked for what it did. But you really need to put elbow grease in it because it is coming off. A lot of elbow grease. I might use this whole pack up on this. Wow, this stuff is actually working. This is what you call never giving up. I should have let my son do this, you guys. This was his fault. Man, it's coming off. It's working. Man, this is actually working. I'm gonna have to use the other compound. Woo. But I cannot believe this. It's off. Look at that. You guys, this is insane. Oh, it's coming off, ladies and gentlemen. Man, what? I am lost for words right now. This will be recommended. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I'm just trying to get that a little bit. Y'all know my OCD. Wow. This is, look at that. It is gone. It is, man, look at that. You guys, you cannot deny that product right there, right? So from here to this top panel we worked on so far. Oh my goodness. This is, I'm telling y'all right now, I am impressed. Turtle Wax done did it again. Wow. Turtle Wax is a beast. If that came off, then this is definitely going to come off. Take the wipe and basically rub hard. Circular motion. Didn't seem like that much compound was on this one. Shit. Wow, this stuff is I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just lost for words right now. I am impressed. I am highly impressed with this. Now I don't know how it gets off scratches, but I'll try to look for a scratch for y'all. All right, that's gonna be a little rough. It's coming. Might need another wipe. Seems like this one is drying up a little fast. Again, I am amazed, impressed. I cannot believe this. I'm gonna get you all. You gotta go hard. Go hard or go home, ladies and gentlemen. Go hard or go home. I didn't even plan on doing this much. Honestly, I didn't even think this would work. I thought this was going to be a short review and be like, okay, you guys, it don't work. See you later. Now I could use a good polishing. But man, I am amazed, bro. It's amazing. Wow. Woo. Wow, you guys. This is, look at this. This is amazing. All right, that chip was already there. This bumper is from another car, you guys. All right, it was from Coparts, but it's still my baby for now until I get a new baby. Okay, so I see some residue. Probably just need a good cleaning. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, it is gone. It is gone. It is gone. That little peck right there, that was from the bumper already. But that's the last little bit. Let me see. Yep, it'll come off. You guys, this is absolutely amazing. Wow, look at that. Look at that. You guys, get this product. Keep it in the house. Keep it in the garage. That was the main reason why I got this, because I turned this around when I was in the store and I looked right here and I was like, yeah, I gotta get that. This is amazing. It's gone. It is absolutely gone. No buffing, no buff machine, no pads, no nothing. All right, you guys, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.